Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready and signed in. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. On your Samsung, open Link to Windows. On Windows, open Phone Link. Once done, sign into the same Microsoft account on the PC. This is how devices authenticate. You'll be prompted to grant permissions on the phone, accept calls, messages, and file access. This initial pairing step creates the secure channel so Windows can discover and connect to your Samsung device. Next, you pair the two devices through the Phone Link app. Once Windows shows a QR code or pairing code, use Link to Windows on the Samsung to scan or enter it. This establishes the link. Make sure you grant runtime permissions for notifications, contacts, storage, and microphone. Without these, features like calls and file transfer won't work. Also verify both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network or have Bluetooth visibility enabled so discovery and data transfer are reliable and fast. To finish, test the connection. Make a call, send a message, and transfer a photo to confirm functionality. If something fails, first restart the phone link and Link to Windows apps, then reboot both devices. That often clears temporary Bluetooth or network glitches. If issues continue, sign out and back into your Microsoft account, update Windows drivers and Samsung software, and check for app updates. One key tip: disabling battery optimization for Link to Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.